the greatest Agatha Mind family lovers of good things all over the world, I bring greatest from a grateful heart. Thank you so dearly for always supporting us. I really appreciate. If you are just seeing this face for the first time or you are coming across us for the first time, I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress, bringing it to you live and direct. Remember, we react to all videos and no opinion is highly needed. I have a wonderful update that I want us to watch together. I just hope that it got well with you, and I wish you a very Merry Christmas celebration. See you then.
Greetings, Biafrans all over the world. Greetings, lovers of freedom. Whom you are hearing his voice is MAP, Eziokubundo 1, on Biafra land. It's high time we tell ourselves the truth. In few days to come, the presidents, as they call it, will be visiting Biafra land. And every one of us know his purpose of visiting. His purpose of visiting is to come and commission the killing of Biafrans in their own land. That is his purpose of visiting. Every other thing they tell you is just to deceive you and make you to believe there is any other reason he is coming to visit. This morning, I read the press release of from the leadership of the world mass largest movement, IPOB, the indigenous people of Biafra, regarding the visit of presidency in Biafra land. And the only thing they stated that I picked there is that the presidency or whoever that is visiting Biafra land will meet empty street. And I was like, wow, it's not a new thing. That will not shake him. That will not even, he will not even notice it. Because the question I want to ask is this: is the man coming to meet the indigenous people of Biafra? The answer is no. Is the man coming to meet the indigenous people of Ebonyans? The answer is no. Do the man care about the streets being empty or not? The answer is no, he doesn't care. Do the man have anything to offer to the leadership or to the people of Biafrans? The answer is no. The only thing he has to offer is death and bloodshed. Now, why can't the leadership stand up and make a very vital declaration on that coming and stand on it without being coward? Now, let me ask, declaring sit at home that very day without any target or without any advantage is totally shooting ourselves or killing ourselves or depriving ourselves the daily bread. Because doing something without a target is as good as not doing it. Now, I am calling on the leadership to suspend that sit at home and continue with their underground work they tell us they are doing. Because that one day sit at home is as useless as who puts Odimma. That one day sit at home is as useless as Nigerian promise. The promise Buhair and the rest made to us. That one day sit at home has no profit to Biafrans. It's as the same thing of not making any statement. For Biafrans to for Biafra to be restored, for our leader to be released unconditionally, we must, as a matter of fact, take in charge of the East. Be in control of Biafra land. Then we can give order and we will know. Yes, order is given. The only thing I am suggesting from the leadership to tell that thing that if he dare step his foot in Biafra land, we are going to sanction every Biafran political leaders in the East with economic sanction by stopping everything that has to do with tax payment and the revenue generation. That is the only thing I expect from the leadership, to come out and announce, not sit at home. The ones you announce, you cancel it. What is the advantage of a one-day sit at home without any target, without any direction? It's of no use. It's of no use. I must tell you the truth. It's like causing hunger to our people. End of the day, we have nothing to achieve with it. So if you want to hold your ground against the idiot that is coming to Biafra land, you have to threaten him with something reasonable, not something that is not reasonable, that has no fruit, that can not yield any good fruit to the Biafrans and to the movement of this very honorable IPOB, led by Onye Ndumazi Nnamdi Kanu. You must stand and say, no more tax payment in Biafra land, no more generating of revenue to the federal, to the state, and to the local government, and to the councils. Then we will know you are talking. If you are not ashamed the way things are going in IPOB, Maza Chebepo is ashamed of what is happening in IPOB. You can argue with the ancestors. I doesn't care, but the truth, I must tell you how it is in my mind. I am not happy with that statement or press release. That is as the same thing as keeping silent and let him visit and go. Don't endanger our lives again for nothing's sake. I want the leadership to come out openly and tell that presidency that he dare not step his foot in our land, and warn every eastern governors that if anyone invites him, from there, that moment, there will be no more any payment of all kind of revenue in Biafra land and the tax. And stand on it, not being coward. Make one statement today, tomorrow you cancel it. Making Mazi Nnamdi Kanu look like as if he don't have people before he was captured. I don't have much to say. But I think I can tell you that sit at home is of no use. If you like, let the whole street deserted. It doesn't move the man. Let us come up with a good action. Action that can shake them. Not all this nonsense thing we are talking here. And we think we have achieved anything. Every day we have achieved. Without seeing anything. When the truth must be told. Let me tell you, this is the time to continue speaking the truth. If you don't like it, go and hold transformer. And if you show the action of Mkpuru Miri in you in the comment section, I will tell you that I control this Biafra unit. I will block hell out of you. Thank you and remain blessed.
In fact, what I will say is this. The plan should be well arranged, because you hear what the Ohanize, they are saying already, that IPOB should not temper with saying sit at home or anything, of which you know very well that very soon it will still be cancelled. So there is no need, because bringing all this information outside, and at the end of the day, we cannot really fulfill it. Everybody looks stupid. It makes them to lose the trust for the leadership or for the IPOB. They tell them that, oh, you are not serious, you make promise that you cannot fulfill. So please, this time around, let everything should be well arranged. This is my stand, and I appreciate what our brother Paul just said. He hit a very good point. Everything need to put into consideration before going on or proceeding with the decision. Thank you so dearly for watching this channel. I really do appreciate. I still remain your one and only Agatha Progress, bringing it to you every day. Thank you so much for supporting. And if you have been watching this channel for this long, you've been a family, you've been a fan for so long, and you haven't subscribed, you are missing a lot. Please click on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.